thank you for watching. Before we start the tutorial, we would like to announce that FabuPRO will be releasing a full, comprehensive, detailed online eyelash extensions course. It has everything: tips, tricks, how to work with individuals, classics, how to work with pre-made fans, volumes, any questions that you might have, how to either learn from zero how to do eyelash extensions or improve your skills if you're already eyelash extensions technicians. The best part of it, it's gonna be here on this YouTube channel for free. You don't have to pay for anything. We decided to release this course because a lot of you guys have been commenting on our videos, telling us that you have learned a lot from these little tutorials that we have been uploading, and we wanted to create something very detailed and educate more people on how to do eyelash extensions. We are a small group of eyelash extensions technicians that created this brand, and we do understand that not everybody has the means financially to take the course somewhere and be able to afford to learn how to do eyelash extensions. That's why we wanted to release this course for free, so that more people can jumpstart their career or find something that they like to do. We also have very competitive prices for our products and materials, so that it is affordable not just for you but also for your customers to get their eyelashes done. We will be launching our first video for the online course on January 17th, 2019. So make sure to tune in, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notifications. We will be uploading every week on Thursday. Thank you for watching. All the materials and tools used in this video can be found in the description down below. Check out all the links. See you guys next week. Bye! I wanna see the light.
So we are going to use the hydrogel eye patches. Now that we have the eye patches, just going to peel them. Just basically like to bend them like that and peel them right off. Look up as far as you can for me. And you can see right here, her lashes kind of come together, her bottom lashes and her top lashes. What I like to do is I'll hold this down, or I'll hold her bottom lashes down or pull them down a little bit, and I'll tape the lashes down, and I'll also go to the other side and kind of pull them down as well. Now there is a couple of them sticking out. Remember, we're gonna go in with the tape and secure the rest. Same thing goes for the other eye. I'm gonna pull down just a little bit on her bottom lashes. It's not the same with everybody, so you might not have to do this with everyone. And whatever I missed, I'm gonna go with the tape. Start on the outer corner. I'm just gonna pull this a little down. Start from the outer corner, inner corner, and then the center. And they are all taped down. Is that comfortable?
Yeah.
So right here, if you can see, there's just a couple lashes going up right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to unpeel very softly and slightly and bring the tape just a little down. Once her eyes are closed, we are now able to turn on the light. I'm gonna get some lash primer, just a little bit. We're just gonna prime and thoroughly clean the lashes. You have to be very careful to do this gently so that you do not open and pull too hard on her lashes where you're not opening her eye. I like to do this for safety reasons. I'm gonna grab some tape. And I'm gonna take the crystal down. And I'm going to use 4Ds and D curl 12 millimeters as the longest. And I'm just gonna tape them down to my chair. And then I'm gonna also grab 11 millimeters and 4D D curl. And last but not least, I'm gonna grab 3D in 0.10s, 10 millimeters for the ends and inner corners. I'm going to start the blueprint. So we are going to start from very last inner corner lash and the last outer corner lash. We like to follow the natural growth. Once I have that, I like to start with my center. And then I just divide. Keep in mind that the blueprints are not going to be exactly the same. Obviously, one eye is bigger than the other. For example, her right eye is bigger than her left eye, so this blueprint might be just a little bit bigger than the other. One thing that I like to do is I notice that this eye, the right eye, has more lashes than the left eye. So I like to start with the left eye just to see the amount of the fullness that this eye is gonna have, because I want to make them look even. So even if I have to miss a couple lashes on this eye to make them look even, I will. Before we start lashing, we want to grab some hand sanitizer and sanitize our hands. Right before I start lashing, that's when I apply my glue. I don't do it too early, just because the glue will start crystallizing and oxidizing. One of the most important things about lashing is you do not want the extension to touch the client's lid. So if I were to put it too close, that's gonna touch her lid. We want to leave just a small gap like that. So it's a very small gap, but it is not touching her eyelid. I can do an example. So this extension doesn't have any glue, but what I want to show you is if you put the extension too close, that is going to look like this. I mean, it looks really nice and everything, but it is going to be very uncomfortable for your client or guest, and it is going to poke them. So you just want to make sure that it is a little further away and it does not bother them. Our guest right here, she's falling asleep, so her eyes are opening just a little bit, I can notice, and I did notice that she kind of closed her eyes a little. So I asked her if she is feeling like burning, and she said yes. So what we are going to do is we're going to grab some tape. And even measure, because it has to go from one side to the other. So what I'm going to do is I am going to tape down, and I can do this a little harder so it kind of just shuts her eye. And no, it should just be fine, it shouldn't break. Gonna make sure there's nothing stuck on the tape so we can remove it.